the gear.
Bob straight in there on paradigm spin, which seems to have just hit the wall and gone careening around the arena. Goodness, that thing's powerful, but how easy is it to control?
I was going to say, I don't think we've seen a robot so out of control so instantly before in this fight. MotherLoader having issues there with one of its tracks. One of their tracks have come out.
I think it's maybe got hit by paradigm spin while it was heading around the arena. There's bits of something. There's it looks like a bolt or something. Bob trying to get paradigm spin out of the arena.
I was going to say, the beautiful underglow of Bob and brilliant driving control there. Getting closer and closer to the outer zone, but not quite. Bob now giving MotherLoader a bit of challenge.
Paradigm spin seems to be in this kind of unfortunate limbo. Well, it's out of it now, where it was spinning on its top and could not get back onto its thing. The glow has gone from Bob. That might be the end of it. So we may be down to just MotherLoader and paradigm spin.
So both of these robots with mobility issues. MotherLoader with a track that's come loose, and well, paradigm spin.
Whenever it hits anything, just loses all control.
It's just a general, absolutely chaotic force, more like a tornado in that arena.
Yeah, this could be one of these where one hit could decide it. Something else has come off of MotherLoader. I think it was from the track that was already damaged.
And you can see paradigm spin letting the weapon spin up before going in for a damaging hit. But that shield of MotherLoader is really protecting it.
Yeah, the wedge really successful at preventing that damage initially, but while MotherLoader is difficult to move, keeping that wedge pointing at paradigm spin will get increasingly difficult.
And I'm loving this, MotherLoader not giving up, getting the axe down, giving paradigm spin a little bit of a tap, a little bit of a hit.
Because if this fight does go to the full 2 minutes, then MotherLoader's going to want to be showing the control, the aggression that the judges are looking for, and the use of that weapon.
And we've got 10 seconds left in this fight. The judges might come into it. Paradigm Shift looking for a little bit more of a hit there as MotherLoader's desperately spinning.
And that's it, our first fight to go the distance.